this is Prince Simba. He loves to sleep, eat, and going outside. He loves to be lazy. He's always lazy. He has such a good life. And I'm like, Mommy loves you so much, Your Majesty. You can get everything what you want. Freedom, live wherever you want, get your food on time and candies. And you can have a girlfriend too. I don't even know how much girlfriend he has because he's so sweet and charming. I love him so much. He's my weakness because he's so sweet. Look at him, so cute when he sleeps.